Hello everyone, welcome back. Another AI video. In this one, we're in Chatgpt4 or Chatgpt Plus, and I'm going to show you how to set up Chatgpt to write just like you or someone else. So if you have a distinct style and you want Chatgpt to write out content in your style, or if you're, maybe you're a marketing person and you want to copy another brand, whatever it is you're doing, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple to do. Should take just a few seconds here. So let's start from scratch. So I've got a fresh instance of Chatgpt4 open. The first thing you need to do, go to the bottom here on the left side and you'll see the three dots or the ellipses. Click on Settings and Beta once you click on that button, and you'll get a few options. Under Beta Features, make sure that Advanced Data Analysis is turned on. That needs to be turned on. This used to be referred to as Code Interpreter, but now it's changed its name. All right, let's keep going. All right, the second step is I've opened up Microsoft Word, and what I've done is I've basically copy and pasted in an article. This one here is about 1,000 words, just over 1,000 words long, of an example article that I want ChatGPT to look at, understand, analyze, and then use it as the basis of further content. So if I ask it to write a review of Starfield or some other video game, for example, it will do it in this manner. So there we go. So I've gone ahead and I've copy and pasted it in. Now you go to File, Save. Now I'm going to note here very quickly that this is a .docx, which is a Microsoft Word file, but it also works with .csv, which are comma-separated value files and PDF files, etc. So there we go. I've saved it to my desktop. Let's go back into ChatGPT. And now I'm going to go up here to the GPT-4, and you're going to see here that Advanced Data Analysis has a check mark beside it. So you need to, if you're on default, go ahead and make sure there's a check mark beside Advanced Data Analysis. Once you've got that, go into your Finder or Windows Explorer and just take a copy that you just saved there in whatever program you use. And I'm just going to drag and I'm going to drop it into the chat here, just like this. And you'll see here that it's going to upload, and then I'm just going to click on the little purple enter button, and presto, it says, hey, I see that you've uploaded a Word document named writingsample.doc. Okay, how would you like to proceed with this file? Here are a few options, and you can see here that it's given me a few options. All right, so what I wanted to do now is in the prompt here, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this in. Now, I'm going to put this in the description below, so there's going to be a link to the entire text in the description below. I'll hit enter, and then I'll tell you what I put in there. I said, your goal will be to reproduce a given writing style based on text examples. Start by analyzing the text in the document and describing precisely the formatting, writing style, tone used, and editorial specifics. Now, as I say that, you'll see here that it's gone ahead and begun the analysis. And there you go. It's going through it. So if I want to see what it's doing while it's doing it, I can click on this little down arrow. Oh, it's going too fast. Come on, little arrow. It's okay. Maybe there we go. I clicked it. But there you go. Here it is. It's done an analysis for us. Formatting, writing style, and tone. It's the writing style is descriptive and narrative. Writing includes specific details. Editorial specifics. There's not two T's in there, pardon me. And there you go. Now, let me show you the final step. All right, so it has gone ahead and analyzed our text. The final step, and I'm just going to give you an example. And again, this will be in a link in the description below too, is here it goes. It goes, perfect. Now, based on the text examples in the document I gave you and your previous analysis, write a new video game review about Starfield. Pay close attention to formatting, any common points between text, writing style, and other elements. I'll hit enter, and then watch this. It's going to go ahead now, and it's going to start going and writing me a short but good review based on my writing style. And of course, you can go ahead and amend that and adjust that as you see fit. But that is literally all there is to it. Thanks for watching.